Welcome back to The Explainer. So, for centuries, we humans have been, well, absolutely obsessed with the idea of stopping the clock, right? We've chased these bizarre ancient elixirs, slathered ourselves in mud, spent billions on anti-aging creams, just constantly searching for ways to stay young forever. But the truth is, a lot of those efforts are kind of aiming at the exact wrong target. Today, we're going to look at the actual biology of longevity, and more importantly, we're going to build a concrete, actionable checklist of daily habits for healthier aging. Let's just dive right in.
So what if growing older isn't some battle to be won, but actually a biological journey to be understood? We often frame aging as the ultimate enemy, something we have to fight against at literally all costs. But biology? Biology tells a completely different story. Aging isn't just about getting wrinkles or spotting that first gray hair in the mirror. It's actually a highly complex biological process happening inside every single cell of your body, every second of every day. And by shifting our perspective to understand this cellular process, we can actually stop fighting an unwinnable war and start focusing on how to genuinely age with grace.
Part 1. The reality and biology of decline.
Okay, so at the absolute core of how we age on a microscopic level are your cells. Your body is made up of literally trillions of them, and these cells are constantly dividing to repair damage and replace old tissues. But there's a biological catch here. Every single time a cell divides, these tiny protective caps at the ends of your chromosomes, they're called telomeres, get just a little bit shorter. Their whole job is to safeguard your genetic material during that division process. Think of telomeres exactly like those little plastic tips on the ends of your shoelaces. When those tips are intact, your shoelaces are totally protected from fraying. But over time, just through constant use, those tips wear down. Well, the exact same thing is happening inside your cells. As those protective caps get too short, your cells can't divide normally anymore. Some just stop functioning properly, and others die altogether. This microscopic shortening is actually a huge contributor to the physical changes we associate with getting older. But telomeres aren't the only piece of the puzzle. Every single day, your body faces cumulative biological wear and tear. I'm talking about environmental stressors, sunlight, pollution, poor diet, or honestly, even just normal daily metabolism. All of this leads to a buildup of damaged proteins, less efficient DNA repair, and constant stress from these harmful molecules called free radicals. It's a lot like owning a car, really. No matter how perfectly you maintain it, small amounts of wear and tear just eventually add up over the decades. Your body's internal maintenance system works the exact same way. Over time, it just gets a little less effective at keeping up with the damage. Part 2. Chronological versus biological age. Now, growing older absolutely does not automatically mean becoming weak or unhealthy, and scientists make a super important distinction here. Chronological age, that's simply the number of years you've been alive. Biological age, on the other hand, reflects how healthy your body actually is on a cellular level. You could literally take two 70-year-olds, one might have the biological health profile of a 55-year-old, while the other is showing signs of vastly accelerated aging. We can't stop the chronological clock, no one can, but we absolutely can influence our biological age. The difference between those two 70-year-olds, it almost always comes down to their daily choices.
Part 3. Your healthy aging checklist.
All right, so here is the high-level, science-backed checklist that biology tells us is practically required for aging gracefully. These 5 steps are exactly how you repair that daily biological wear and tear we were just talking about. We're going to unpack exercise, nutrition, sleep, mental engagement, and social connections right now. Step 1 on your checklist is physical activity. Now, you definitely don't need to be running marathons here, but you do need to move. Exercise fundamentally improves cardiovascular health, strengthens your muscles, protects your bones, and even supports brain function. The biology is crystal clear on this. Even something as simple and accessible as a daily walk can significantly improve both your longevity and the quality of your life. It is literally the most direct way to physically signal to your body, hey, keep those maintenance systems running efficiently.
Okay, step 2 is nutrition. Remember those cells dividing and trying to repair themselves? Well, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, and lean proteins provides the exact chemical building blocks your cells require to actually do that repair work properly. And by limiting excessive processed foods and added sugars, you help lower widespread, silent inflammation throughout your body. You are quite literally giving your cells the premium fuel they need to actively combat and reverse that daily biological stress.
Step 3 is one that, let's be honest, so many of us completely ignore: sleep. Listen, sleep is not a luxury, it is a profound biological necessity. This is the critical period when your body literally shuts down external functions to focus entirely on essential cellular repair work. Poor sleep actively hinders these vital repair mechanisms and has been directly linked to memory problems, weakened immunity, and vastly accelerated aging. If you want to slow down your biological clock, for sure, you absolutely have to prioritize your rest.
Finally, steps 4 and 5 focus on the brain and the heart. First, keep the mind engaged. Because the brain operates a whole lot like a muscle, it deeply benefits from regular use. Tackling new skills, reading, or solving puzzles helps maintain vital cognitive health as the years pass. And then we have step 5, maintaining social connections. We humans are fundamentally social creatures, and strong relationships do way more than just make us smile. They actually reduce stress hormones in the body, improve emotional well-being, and are consistently associated with longer, significantly healthier lives.
Part 4. Adding life to years. Aging with grace is not about adding more years to life. It's about adding more life to your years. I love that. You know, aging really is one of the most natural processes in biology. Every wrinkle tells a story, and every stage of life brings new wisdom and opportunities for connection. By following our checklist, exercising, giving our cells premium fuel, prioritizing sleep, and staying connected, we're preserving our function, our independence, and our happiness for as long as possible. We aren't avoiding aging, we're just learning to age well and embrace each chapter with dignity.
So, which healthy habit will you add to your checklist today? You actually have the agency to influence your biological age starting right now. Whether it's prioritizing an extra hour of sleep tonight, swapping out a processed snack, or just taking a walk with a friend, your cells are literally waiting for you to help them out. Remember, your chronological clock is ticking, but your biological clock is entirely in your hands. So how young will you choose to be tomorrow? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you next time.